It's amazing that in a period of actually 4 weeks from the time I sent an email, I'm walking, and I came to the United States, and these people were able to change my life in a matter of 4 weeks, where at home, I'm on the waiting list to get a call to see if I can get an appointment to see a surgeon. My sister asked me, what made you make this decision? I said, 2 weeks versus 2 years. No brainer. I had to come. These people changed my life. My name is Alexis Phillips. I'm from Spruce Grove, Alberta. I'm a grandmother of 14 grandchildren. Lately, I haven't been able to keep up with them. I sit back and have to watch them do their thing, and I have to sit it out. It's tough. I couldn't wait any longer. The waiting just, yeah, it makes me worse because the longer I go, the more pressure I'm putting on the other leg, and I'm wearing them both out, and I'm not sure which one's gonna last long enough to hold me up. I needed to get it done now, and I made that decision. I've been searching the internet for years. So I started searching again, and I found the spine clinic, and I sent them an email. It was 3 minutes. I had barely sent the email off, and my phone rang, and they set up an appointment. 7 days later, I'm talking with the surgeon. He talked to me for like 35 minutes on the phone. And I was like, that's unheard of. If you call a doctor, he's got no time for you, no nothing. This guy, he's amazing. He just talked to me, answered all my questions, did everything. And then when I got here, it was like this whole family of friends that I had talked with, and then I finally met them. And then I met Melinda. She's amazing. She's the nurse, and she's just caring and compassionate and loving. I was so happy to have her in my room with me, to be with me. She sees me come in the door, and she comes and hugs me. I really feel like this is like a whole family for me. They're my new family. Before I came down, I was given a number of a fellow who had been down here with his wife, and she had a hip replacement. And he said this place was top-notch. To me, that didn't begin to explain what was here. These people are amazing. The work that they do is so like real. Like they don't treat you like a piece of meat. You come in and you're a real person with real feelings and real concerns, and they deal and they are there for you all through that. They just care. They really care. When your surgeon calls you the next day and says, "How are you doing?" That's unheard of. You walk in the door and everybody knows your name. They know you by your name, and and how you doing? And they're all happy and hugs, and it's amazing. This place is amazing, and the people, if they can help me, and I'm able to walk out of here in 1 week feeling better than I have in 4 or 5 years. I've been dealing with this pain for 10 years, since 2008. That's when I first noticed the knee going, and it's 2018, 10 years of just manage your pain. Come here and let these people help get rid of your pain. Do it.